Hi, this is Rosa with you, and this is what I was talking about. Water is very important, especially for those that are doing their magical works. This is from Hurricane Helene. Okay, as it passed by the area, I did put a little Tupperware out the window, and I collected some of the water here, that rainwater, hurricane water. And hurricane water is great. Hurricane or any storm that passes through your area, this is like one of the best things when you want to do meditation or something that you want to bring into your life in a rush. This is the type of energy that you need. You need to encapsulate it just like this. You get these bottles are from Dollar Tree. You can get them. Sometimes they come 3 in a pack. Sometimes they come 2 in a pack. It depends on the Dollar Tree and which one they have for you there. But you can get them, and then you could use it sparingly. You don't need a lot, just a drop in, like on top of your candle work or any other works that you want to do, whether it's written, whether you're putting this on your body physically in a spiritual bath. You can do it. It quickens every spiritual work or alignment. Even putting this on your third eye as you do your meditations or your intentions for the day will get you that energy. It will you will start to see it come into your vibrational alignment of your intentions, how fast and quickly you get to manifest. Click a thumbs up for these videos. Subscribe to my channel. There'll be more segments like this. Will help you to align to your intentions and to help you to manifest law of attraction, whatever you want to call it. Be in the vortex, as Abraham Hicks says, and all of the vibrational energy to bring in the law of manifestation, law of attraction. This is Rosa.